northeastern Hunt County in north-central Texas, southeastern Collin County in north-central Texas, until 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:33 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Rockwall, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, $half-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Rowlett, Wiley, Rockwall, Greenville, Roy City, Keith, Fett, West Tawakoni, Quinlan, Cattle Mills, Hawk Cove, Mobile City, Lake Tawakoni State Park, Levant, McClendon Chisholm, Nevada, Josephine, Union Valley, and Lake Ray Hubbard. This includes Interstate 30 between mile marker 65 and 94. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.